In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your workflow with Coda AI 2026. By the end, you'll have a streamlined living workspace you can run your projects from all in one place. Start by opening Coda and creating a new document. You can begin with a blank doc for full control or pick a template to jumpstart common setups. Think of a doc as your headquarters. Everything you build, pages, tables, views, and automations, lives inside this one space, so you're never hunting for scattered files again. Next, organize your work with pages in the left sidebar by clicking New Page. Create sections like Content Plan, Tasks, and Client Notes to separate planning from execution and reference material. Clear naming goes a long way here. Adding short descriptions at the top of each page helps teammates know exactly how to use it. Now add a table, the engine of your system. Type/table to insert one, then add columns such as task name, status, deadline, and owner. Each row represents a single item, one task, one deliverable, or one piece of content. Keep one master table for each type of thing you manage. That becomes your single source of truth. Make your data work harder by customizing columns. Switch types to text, select, date, or checkbox so inputs are structured and consistent. For example, set status as a select with draft, in progress, and done, and set deadline as a date so you can sort, filter, and create timelines. You can even use AI inside the doc to draft task descriptions or suggest category values to keep entries uniform. Connect information across pages so nothing is duplicated. Link or reference your master tables wherever you need them, like having a content calendar page pull from your tasks table. Lookups and references ensure updates in one place ripple everywhere else. Automate routine clicks with buttons, type/button, to add actions that mark tasks complete, add new rows with default values, or send notifications. Small automations save time every single day. Switch perspectives with different views. Use a table for editing details, a calendar to spot timeline gaps, and a Kanban board for status-driven work. Filter by owner or status to create focused dashboards for teammates. Keep everything in context by adding files and embeds. Drop in images, videos, and links so briefs, assets, and notes stay right beside the work. Invite collaborators to share, assign tasks by tagging people, and use comments to discuss changes without side channels. Finally, save time by turning your setup into a reusable template. Duplicate your doc to spin up a content plan